Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a brand new unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Ransom Converse All-Star lookalike shoes. I thought these were pretty cool, and they were only 50 bucks, and I thought I would support an underground brand. So let's get right into it, and one of the best parts is I didn't even know it came with a box. So let's get a close-up on the box. So then when we get to the box, you can see that we have the normal Ransom logo here, and I love the thought that they actually got like a shoe box for it, because when I released my slides, I gave out dust bags with it because they're slides rather than a shoe box, and people loved it. And people look at small stuff like this and they look at all that. So you know, we got the size, the color, all that good stuff. And let's get now into opening the box. Other than the logo and the side right there, there's really nothing else on it, so it's just a normal black box. But aside from that, still the thought that counts, and I'm definitely going to keep the box. Just because who doesn't keep like exclusive boxes like this? Alright, so right off the bat, we're just gonna open it, and I could instantly tell how white these shoes are. Like, these look so clean. You can tell they kind of smushed them in there, but that's okay. They gotta do what they gotta do to save space. And it was probably different for each size. Like, if you got a bigger size, it was probably worse. But these are nice. I'm actually excited. I have a couple ideas for some outfits to do with these. Now, if I'm being honest with you, Converse All-Stars are not for me. I normally would never buy a pair of Converse shoes, and that's not any hate to Converse. Actually, whoa. What is this? What is that? There's a mark under my shoe. Someone wore these. These ain't DS. Nah, I'm playing. But I think one of the only Converse I would buy would be, I have no clue. I have zero clue. I'm sure there's some out there. The CDG ones, those are cool with the hearts on it. I'd buy those. That's about it though. That's probably one of the only ones. But these technically are not Converse, so I guess it's okay. And then obviously, you know, we got the other shoe. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna get a close up as well, so don't tweak on me over here. We're gonna get there. But they got that new shoe smell, that's for sure. These look pretty clean, and I could tell they put a lot of effort into it. As you can tell, it says Ransom on the back. And it's the small stuff that counts. I'll definitely be posting some fits in here with maybe like a red hoodie and some black joggers. I think it will go crazy. But let's get a close up on the shoe. So then as we get up to the shoe, we got an extra pair of laces that come with it, black, which actually wouldn't be too bad on these shoes, but I do like the white because it stands out a little bit. And then as you can tell, they got their logo on the side, and then my favorite part of it would be the back of it, how it says Ransom right there. You cannot lie, these shoes are actually pretty heat, and I don't even know if they're reselling or anything like that, but I'm not gonna resell them. These are for the personal. I thought I would support an underground streetwear brand, because I do want to release shoes as well for my streetwear brand, but I will not lie, it is very expensive to get custom shoes made up like this. So shout out Ransom. I had to go show some support, and I hope to buy from them again soon. These are actually pretty raw. I'm excited to bust some fits with these. I do have a lot of red shoes, as you can tell. I mean, actually, I guess not really. Those are about it. And then like, I got some that have like hints of red in there, like there, those hints of red. But let me know what you guys think down below. I'm curious, have you heard of this brand before? To me, this was another underground low-key brand, and I thought I'd show them off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I'm curious to hear your opinions on it. I'm definitely going to be busting some fits out, so be sure to go follow me on Instagram at HybridJosh to go check out when those pictures are out, whenever I do want to do those fit pics. Anyway, go show them love, and leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.